So we decided to can the cyclecruza leg. We're heading south, we don't want to go further into the shite. So we've come back up a bit, turned inland at Outram, heading for Middlemarch and Hyde. Cut the day a bit shorter, but the rain has kind of stopped, but unfortunately the wind hasn't. She's still pretty strong winds, so be a stunning road on a good day, that's for sure. So I'll definitely have to do this one again when I know it's dry. Maybe on the way back from the Burt this year, come a different way. Well, we made it into Middlemarch, stopped out of the wind as much as we can, and we're just waiting for the rest of the crew to turn up. So this pub around here somewhere, it's got a fireplace, and we can maybe warm up and have a beer. Well, we stopped off in Middlemarch, get out of the weather a bit. Rain's blowing through, wind's still going, but anyway, pretty refreshed. Next stop, little pub in the middle of nowhere called Dunback. So we're off to Dunback pub. Much better without the rain, that's for sure. Stunning piece of road. Anyway, I'd love to do this in summertime without the wind and the rain. Have to do it again. Good excuse. Still heading north out of Middlemarch. We're going to turn off and head through to McRae's. Big gold mine there. Hopefully it wasn't just there, no. Anyway, we're on the Middlemarch Hyde Road. Beautiful big valley. McRae flat, 19 k's, Dunback 38, so that's where we're going. Dunback pub. Blue sky down south, that's where we would have been going, but we would have to put up with a lot more rain to get to that blue, so anyway. The die is cast. Very old area for settlers and that here.
When I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind works backwards just for a minute,
Well, last day of our little North Otago tour. I'm pretty sure we'll stay dry today, but still a bit of wind about. So I thought we'd break it up the ride home. Just riding some back roads through the Five Forks area, sort of tucked in behind Oamaru really, and we'll pop out in the Waitaki at Duntroon. You know, just something a bit different. Haven't done these roads before, going inland. Nice. Some beautiful views. Gotta wait for the boys. There they come. Oh yeah, they can see. All limestone country around here, which makes nice up and downs and plenty of corners as well. Anyway, nice way to finish our Moeraki trip for the boys. 2 nights, full day riding in the middle, and be half a day today and a couple of hours on Friday after work. Anyway, it's been good, really enjoyed it. Good bunch of roosters, and yeah, some bloody nice roads, some that I definitely want to have to go over again in the future, with a bit less wind and rain maybe. Windsor. Yeah, hello. An old school there.